Hi guys, this is Dr. Pugh. Because we are separated out into different groups, I'm going to facilitate our meeting today, our advising meeting, in a virtual scenario. This will mean that we don't have to start over every time a new group comes in to our Zoom. So I will have the Zoom open. I will be here and ready to answer your questions, but I'm going to ask you to watch these videos in order to get the content you need from our advising session. I am going to break our advising session down into look at me, three different videos. The first will be the explanation of Virtual Majors Night. The second will ask you to complete the learning strategies self-assessment, and then we'll give you the chance to revisit the science of learning, the most effective learning strategies. In our last video, we'll tackle understanding the Scholars Program, and we'll give you a few minutes to complete the My Majors assessment. As always, these sessions have goals. So by the time we're done, we want you to be able to think about your learning strategies and to create a plan for using some new approaches. We also want you to be able to summarize the major parts of that Science of Learning video as a way of thinking about what approaches will be most helpful for you. Finally, we want to make sure that you have the chance to reflect on the My Majors report so that you're ready when you go into Majors Night to choose 6 different majors that you might want to get to know better. So let's start with Virtual Majors Night. I'm sad that we won't be able to do regular Majors Night because it is a lot of fun. It's a chaotic, hot mess, but it's a lot of fun. My hope is that this will provide us with a new kind of fun and perhaps be more informative and a little bit less chaotic for you. Now, it's important to know that you have been enrolled in the Virtual Majors Night team. That team looks like this, so you should be able to find that in your team's screen. Once you're into the Virtual Majors Night team, you can unhide the channels for the 6 majors and minors that you want to explore. That will make it easier when you go into Virtual Majors Night on the 28th to navigate during those 15-minute sessions that you'll be using to explore each of these possible majors. If for some reason you don't see the team, you can use the code JPMY8RU to join that team. So here's what's going to happen. On Virtual Majors Night, which is September 28th, that is next Monday, you are going to log in at 5:45, 17:45. Again, you'll log into the Virtual Majors Night team, which looks like this. You'll choose 6 possible majors that you're interested in learning more about. You'll unhide those channels. All of those channels are in the team, and you can unhide the 6 that are interesting to you. You'll have 6 rotations. Each one will be 15 minutes long with a 5-minute break in between. You'll click on a major or a minor that interests you, and then when you're in there, you can listen and ask questions. You can visit up to 6 different majors or minors during that 2-hour block. Let me know if you have any questions about Virtual Majors Night. We'll come back to this when we get to the end and have the chance to revisit My Majors.